Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now you have to scroll down and go to Accounts and Backup. Click on Accounts, so it's the first tab. And now here is our current Google account. Simply click on it, and if you would like to remove your account, simply tap on Remove Account. And confirm that you would like to remove account, which will delete all of its messages, contacts and other user data. But I still want to do it, so simply click on remove. And as you can see, now over here is no other Google account. And obviously then if you would like to add Google account, simply open Accounts and Backup one more time, click on Accounts, Add Account, then pick Google obviously. And here you can log in with your Google account, so enter either your email address or phone number. In my case, it will be email address, HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com. And click on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so if you will be typing this password, click on the eye icon to see what you are currently typing. And let me enter my password off the screen. And as only it is entered, click on Next. Then you can come along with all the terms of Google services. If you will click on the links, you will be able to read it, to come along with all the terms and conditions. And if you agree with all of the above, click on I agree. And here you've got backup to Google Drive function, so accept it, it's truly useful one. And that's it. As you can see here, you've got your Google account added, so it was simply just like that. So you've just add and remove Google account in your Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. Congrats! Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.